Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete Instagram account permanently on mobile. First, you will need to go into the Instagram app. From here, you want to ensure that you're on your profile page. Then you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. Next, you're going to select Settings. Then you want to tap on Account. After selecting account, you are going to scroll down until you see delete account. You'll tap on that. Then you'll see two options. You can either choose to deactivate your account, which would mean you'll temporarily disable your account, or you can tap on delete account, which will delete your account permanently. So you'll simply tap on delete account, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.